Hi, this is Biplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Today I work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I open my mail as well as and search all the detail, beta team and render channel, and then I went to my Google Drive and also open my ultimate list and my BA task management. Today actually I work on Process Street in Maxbill, and also I reply the KGG tenant mail. I set it on rental channel. I also Nmax bill set on Emacs bill rental channel. And today I made one videos on step 4, and that was too big, and for that my screen shooter where I may make my video, it is not allow 15 minutes above, and for that step 4 it was a big long taking more time actually, and for that I cannot make all. Today I make part 1 actually, step 4 part 1. It was 15 minutes and made it, but there is some problem actually. I was facing that I cannot change my video name, and I am trying to do that. If I done that, then I will set it on my process state. So that's all of my daily task report actually. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.